We went around and around thinking of ways to make a pendant light for our gingerbread porch, and this is what we made. It's a little bit Victorian, it's also a little bit new, and we made it entirely from scratch. We'd taken down the old ceiling, fixed the roof, and the new ceiling was a heavenly shade of blue. There was still a lot of paint and repair work to do, but a new lamp project moved to the head of the list to make sure the wiring would be in place before the ceiling was complete. So we thought about buying a new lamp, we thought about fitting the old fixture with a bulb extender so it was more like a pendant. Then inspiration came. We would use a table lamp turned upside down to make a one-of-a-kind pendant lamp, and the inspiration came with love for a country house. Pendant light is now on the porch in time for the holidays, and we've added a little ivy for decoration. To celebrate, we're giving away a free item from our Etsy shop to one of our YouTube subscribers. All you need to do is leave a comment below this video between Thanksgiving, November 26th, and December 18th, 2020, and we'll choose the winner on December 19th in a random drawing. The winner can choose any one item from our Etsy shop for free. We hope you'll enter and wish you good luck. So here's a fun thing to do if you have a high ceiling like we have on our porch. Look around your house or stores for interesting lamps and imagine them upside down attached to the ceiling. We bet you'll never look at a lamp the same way again. They can make great architectural statements, and for not a lot of money. We found our lamp at a thrift shop for just $8. Ideally, you'll find a good lightweight lamp with a wire that comes from the bottom. Our lamp has Eiffel Tower feet so that the wire is in the perfect place to be fished through the ceiling. Next, we bought wooden discs from Hobby Lobby that we could glue together to make a base. We stained ours and we added a touch of metallic gold to match the lamp. Clamp the disc together and drill a hole through the center to fish a plug through. We used a powerful glue, E6000, to glue our discs together and to attach those feet of our lamp to the base. The glue grabbed in seconds, but you should only use it outdoors and don't get it on your skin. It smells to high heaven. Even if you have a big hole in your ceiling where a lamp used to be, a base like this will cover it. We nailed our lamp to a beam and fished the wire through where we can hardwire it later. And if you don't have that, you may be able to attach your lamp with specialized bolts. Now for the shade. The easiest shade for this pendant project would be one that already has holes, like a basket shade or a pierced metal shade like ours. We found ours for just $3 at a church rummage sale, and we believe it's an antique. Lots of shades like this can be found in online markets too. Or you could use some gold bulldog clips to hold your shade. We plan to use our shade upside down because it reminded us of those exotic lamps made of decorative brass that you see in import stores. We used chain belts with large lobster catches on each end to suspend the shade. The chains went up to a modified brass clamp, which is usually used to hold a globe lamp. What we did was we cut through one side of the clamp, we fitted it onto our lamp high up, and then we used the 3 adjustment screws to hold one end of each of our 3 chains. Next are the crystals. Nowadays you can buy chandelier crystals a la carte online, so you can get exactly what you need or you like. We also bought strands of crystal beads and jewelry wire. Our crystals are double wired to make sure they're very secure on the shade, and the beads came on nylon thread. We left the nylon thread going through the beads, but we also threaded jewelry wire through so that both the beads and the crystals have double protection from humidity and wind. And one more security step. We used a bit of plastic coated wire and created a brace from one side of the shade around the lamp all the way over to the other side. You can't see the bracing wire from below, but now the wind can blow and the lamp stays steady. So, where there's a will, there's a way. Have fun looking at table lamps in a new way. Lamps are some of the most versatile, upcycle objects out there, and we're working on some really fun table lamp projects for the holidays too. And don't forget our contest. The rules are below, and you need only leave a comment and how we may reach you if you're chosen in our random drawing. We'll choose the winner on December 19th, 2020, and you can always remove your contact information after that date for privacy, and we will not add your name to any mailing list. But we would love it if you would subscribe so you don't miss a lot of the wonderful projects coming up. We can't wait to show you. Click the like button to let us know you're out there, and click the sun logo to subscribe. See you later.